Hey guys, thank you for watching my metrical videos. I'm Angela Fernandez. I hope you guys are safe at home. And well, I'm so tired today. Oh sorry, I get so out of the context sometimes. Okay, coming back on track. Well, today I am going to talk on something which is many people, try this, but आधे रास्ते में आके ना ये लोग बहुत सारे लोग ये चीजें छोड़ देते हैं. तो मैं क्या बात कहने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ is to pushing yourself a little bit. So basically what happens is whenever there is something difficult that is given to us, either there are some set of people who try and who try till they don't get a result, and there are some people who just don't, they try but then they leave it halfway. क्यों? क्योंकि उनसे हो रहा नहीं, उनके पल्ले ही नहीं पड़ रहा है. So I am going to tell you why it is necessary to push yourself a little bit, just so that you get your desired results in life. So the very first important thing in this is very first important, that why you need to push yourself is something you need to get an answer from your within. Otherwise you're not going to push yourself, or you're not going to get anything in your life. So why? What are your dreams? What are your goals? What are your visions? इसका जवाब ना आपको आपके why में मिलना चाहिए, तब जाकर आप अपने आप को पुश कर पाएंगे. अब आपको भगवान ने बनाया है, तो what is the purpose of your existence? I understand living, staying happy, you are alive, सब समझ में आता है, ठीक है, that is good. But what is the purpose? You need to do something. You're on earth. You need to do something. Prove yourself. Something. कुछ तो ऐसा चैलेंजिंग जिंदगी में करना होगा कि जब आप यहाँ से जाओ तो you will be proud of yourself कि oh my God, I did this. So that's something you really need to find out, the why, the vision, as I told you, and it is really important to understand and try to analyze the purpose of your existence in your life. Basically try to understand your skill sets. What are you good at? जो आप किस चीज में एक्सेल कर सकते हो, and वो आपका पर्पस फिर एग्जिस्टेंस के लिए डिफाइन करेगा. Now you need to be something, you need to do something, you need to do something to be something in your life. Just सिर्फ रहने से और एकदम chill रहने से is you're not going to achieve or become a rich person or any, मतलब कोई बड़ा आदमी आप योगी तो नहीं बन सकते हो ना, आपको कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. तो इसीलिए क्या करना है, क्यों करना है आपको उसका जवाब चाहिए, तब जाके आप अपने आप को पुश करोगे. You'll push yourself so much that you will make sure that you will get your desired results. So whenever you plan, like say for example, once you have got the why in your life and you know your visions, that आपको क्या करना है, and you're ready to push yourself, what you need to do then is compete with yourself. It's like you cannot, you're not going to not do anything. You need to compete yourself. So if you say for example, if you have a math test and you scored 5 out of 10, the next time you have to make sure that you will score 6 out of 10. So anything you do, you need to develop a sense of competence, not confidence, competence, that you will achieve that desired results. तो आज आप अपने आप को किसी चीज में डिफीट करोगे तो कल जाके उसके आगे बढ़ोगे आप. बट ये सारी चीजें से करने से फायदा क्या है, पुश करने से फायदा क्या है? तो लेट मी टेल यू गाइस दैट everyone deserves to be happy, everyone deserves to be content. So why not this way? Why not being competitive? Why not having this in mind कि मैं ये कर दूंगी या कर दूंगा, and then you be happy. And तब वो एक बोलते ना, एक सेंस आएगा आपको, मतलब everything will make sense to you कि why you are happy. But अगर आप करोगे ही नहीं, if you are not going to do nothing, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि यार जिंदगी सिर्फ जिया है. बट जीना इज नॉट एवरीथिंग. यू नीड टू हैव समथिंग कि आपको खुद को एक सेंस डेवलप हो कि ओ माई गॉड आई हैव डन दिस, ओ माई गॉड आई एम सो प्राउड, आई थॉट आई वुड नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट बट आई डिड इट. एंड गाइज, माई लास्ट पॉइंट, you deserve to be happy, radiant and free. Push yourself and see how good you are. एक बार पुश करके अपने आप को देखो, यू विल नो हाउ बेस्ट यू कैन. I hope you like this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions. Like, share and अब तक subscribe नहीं किया है तो please subscribe to my channel. It is free. Till then, be safe, be kind and strike a balance. Bye.